Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, so untuk hari ini kita akan review forecast untuk beberapa pair untuk minggu ni dan apa arah tuju. Jadi sebelum tu jangan lupa untuk baca forex disclaimer. Trading forex exchange carries a high risk. This cuma adalah educational video. Jangan lupa untuk klik subscribe and klik bell icon. Jadi sebelum kita nak tengok arah tuju, apa yang sepatutnya kita kena buat? Yes, this eureka moment. Sebenarnya sebelum kita start review apa-apa pair, kita kena tahu apa aktiviti ataupun economic calendar ataupun event yang akan berlaku, jadi kita boleh trade towards the event. Jadi kita kena tengoklah. So salah satu tempatnya adalah, of course, kita akan tengok ke Forex Factory. Jadi jom kita pergi tengok apa event yang ada minggu ini. So kita ada economic events untuk minggu ni. Jadi apa event yang akan berlaku untuk minggu ni? Jom. So biasa kita akan tengok Forex Factory. Of course kita boleh tengok dekat mana-mana lah, investing.com, my Facebook, ada macam-macam. So the reason kita nak tengok adalah untuk kita nak trade towards the event. So ini adalah satu contoh Forex Factory punya ni. Data-data yang akan keluar, yang merah adalah high impact, and then yang orange ni medium impact, dan kalau ada kuning saya dah exclude supaya data tak clutter. And then kita ada forecast, and then kita ada previous data. Kalau nak tahu detail boleh klik orang kata the folder inside. So minggu ni of course kita ada ada satu event atau beberapa event. Satu adalah RBA News akan keluar rate statement. Ini adalah event yang orang kata high impact sebab dia berkaitan dengan interest rate. Apa-apa yang berkaitan dengan interest rate, of course it's quite volatile and market akan react to this interest rate. So dia dalam pukul 11.30 pagi dalam waktu Malaysia. Jadi kita ada 2 hari untuk trade towards the event. Then the next day kita ada GDP. So of course akan ada impact 2 kali. Hari Selasa akan ada satu impact, dan hari Rabu pun akan ada satu lagi impact untuk AUD. So kalau AUD ada impact, NZD pun ada rasa kesan dia. Sebab dia both country orang kata sebelah-sebelah ataupun jiran. Then next event kita ada so of course kita akan tengok apa perkembangan ekonomi, what will the RBA punya governor will say on the interest rate ataupun statement yang akan keluar, because orang kata commodity, because Australia is primarily commodity country, dia punya iron ore, steel, copper, apa semua tu getting a high demand from China, because of the economic recovery. So that's why AUD and NZD to a certain extent getting a demand, but will it be sustainable atau akan continue, we will know from the statement. So the other event of course is the big one for this Friday, first Friday of the month, NFP. So kita akan dengar data-data yang keluar pasal jobs, average rate, and then unemployment rate. So these adalah event untuk minggu ni. Jadi jom kita pergi tengok kita punya forecast untuk pair kita. Guys, so sekarang ni kita tengok AUDUSD. So sebab since itu yang kita trade untuk minggu ni, jadi kita cuba tengok apa pergerakan AUDUSD untuk minggu ni. So kalau daripada sini kita nampak it's actually on uptrend, tapi kita nampak dalam daily dia dah buat satu bearish candle. daripada almost 0.80 cent dia jatuh ke 77 cent, so almost 300 pip. Okay, so dia dah jatuh 300 pip dekat sini. Okay, so that's quite a huge drop, okay, untuk AUD. Okay, so kita nampak daripada 80 sen pergi ke 77 sen. Okay, so adakah AUD akan melemah minggu ini? Nampak gayanya ya. Okay, so as we projected last week, okay, memang kita jangka dia akan bearish. Okay, so sekarang dia dah touch trend line, so kita expect dia akan pull back somewhere to around 78 dengan 78.50 before continue. So kita akan nampak maybe Monday dengan Tuesday, early part of the Tuesday dia akan naik. Okay, then bila keluar orang kata the news interest rate, maybe dia spike ke atas, then continue dia punya bearish trend. Okay, sampai ke almost about 75. That's my prediction, ataupun 76. Dan kita akan nampak maybe ada bounce back daripada 76 before continue. Tapi kalau dia tak break 76, then most likely dia akan ke atas lah. Okay, so that's how we have to trade towards the news for AUD, USD. Okay, so I'm going to sell on rally. Okay, but of course I can scalp or intraday orang kata long for AUD, USD. Okay, because we expect AUD akan strengthen for a short period. Okay, to find the sellers somewhere around here 78 ataupun 78.50. So there's a potential dia akan naik dalam 100 to 150 pips. Okay, so kita tengok NZDUSD. Okay, since AUD, USD, NZDUSD selalunya dia akan gerak almost on a similar pattern, sama. Okay, so dia pun around 74.50. Okay, drop to about 72.50 punya region. So that's almost about 200 pips plus. Okay, so kita nampak AUD drop almost 300 pips, tapi NZD cuma drop dalam 220 pips. Okay, so sama macam pergerakan AUD USD atau AU, we will expect dia retrace back almost about 100 pips, okay, before coming back to around this region 71 cent ataupun 71.50 around this zone. Okay, and then we will see next week whether dia continue ataupun dia go a bit further down with the strengthening US dollar. I'm still expecting what do you call NZDUSD to drop to almost 68 ataupun 69 cent, which is another 300 pip to come down. Okay, so we will see how it goes towards end of this week. Okay, so jom kita pergi tengok EURUSD. Okay, this is a major pair. Okay, EURUSD pun kita nampak ada rejection after it went to around 1.22. Okay, so now it's actually testing this trend line. Okay, I'm more biased towards what do you call downtrend, tapi kalau nampak sini it still can go higher. Okay, it depends where it breaks. Kalau dia break ke atas, okay, then it most likely can actually do this. Okay, dia boleh pergi ke atas macam ni, tapi my bias is towards bearish. Okay, I'm still holding a bearish stand for EURUSD, so I'm looking more of dia akan naik ke atas around this, okay, ataupun sini, okay, and then break this trend line, okay, and then try to come to test this support and then break this. So I'm looking at around going to 118. Okay, so this is for EURUSD that I'm looking at. I'm more biased towards this trend. Okay, so with this triangle, tapi kalau dia break around 1.22 something, okay, then it will might go to the next level 1.23. so this part you guys need to watch out for, okay, so, because dollar can weaken and then euro can become quite strong. Okay, so then next pair we go into GBPUSD, okay, and see kalau ada peluang untuk kita tengok GBPUSD. Okay, so this GBPUSD, okay, so it actually followed kita punya direction, okay, it dropped to almost about 1.39, okay, so now I'm expecting similar to EU, a bit of retracement up to about 140, 50, 1.4050, okay, around this zone, okay, try to look for broken support becoming resistance, okay, and then make a bearish move down. Okay, I'm still holding my sell position on GU, okay, so I will sell on rally. Okay, I don't think dia akan ke atas, okay, for the time being, okay, but it can actually go to the top, okay, from here, okay, maybe data break 1.3820, then from here dia maybe kata this is where dia cuba naik ke atas, it can do this pattern ataupun this move, okay, so just watch out on that, okay, but I'm more towards this red line punya move. Okay, so that's for GU. Let's look at next pair. Maybe we quickly look at the UCAD. Okay, so how's UCAD? Okay, so as you can see, UCAD actually broken kita punya support around 1.26. Okay, so now it made a new low, okay, at 1.2450. Okay, but then it bounce back quite strongly, okay, jadi kita cuba tengok whether this bounce, okay, ni, so instead of kita expect dari atas ni tapi made a move from here, okay, so kita pergi ke time frame kecil untuk make, okay, so now actually we will see this move, so okay, I might look at it, might make a one higher high, break this previous high, okay, and then I make a higher low and then go towards this 1.29, okay, so sekarang ni dia dah sampai 1.27, so it's quite a strong momentum, okay, breaking all this resistance before 1.26, okay, so I will expect Monday a bit of retracement, then push back towards, okay, so as long dia tak break around 1.2550, okay, around this zone, okay, then we should able to go long for short term pullback, okay, but because long term still UCAD ni bearish, okay, you can see even daily is bearish, okay, weekly is also bearish, so next support kalau dia break we are looking at okay, yeah, there's a strong support 1.2450, tapi kalau dia break the next one will be 1.2252, okay, around that 1.2250 cent punya zone, okay, but at the moment I will expect dia naik ke atas dulu, okay, then only probably go for bearish. Okay, so next one kita tengok USDCHF. So how's USDCHF? Okay, USDCHF, okay, it's been bearish, okay, tapi dekat trend line ni, okay, I think there's a quite strong support around 0.8750, okay, they bounce back and now trying to create a bit of a higher high in this time frame, so I'm expecting maybe dia akan buat satu lower low, so the higher low, okay, then go up at least towards 0.9150 ataupun 0.92 around this zone, okay, with the strengthening US dollar. Of course kalau US dollar weaken, then this might come down, but I don't think it will break the support around this zone 0.88. So I will just buy on dip for USDCHF. Okay, so next one we will look into USDJPY. Okay, so UJ has been moving. Okay, they break this trend line. Okay, so now it's around 106.50. Okay, so data break this trend line, so that means it's good. So sekarang ni, where's the next move? Okay, so we expect, okay, it might be a bit of a pullback tomorrow morning, okay, before trying to reach 107 ataupun 107.50. okay, so as long as hold this trend line dekat bawah ni around 105, okay, I think we should be able to go along. Okay, tapi kalau dia dah mula start break, okay, then we need to change our analysis towards bearish. Okay, sebab kalau dia break, then most likely dia akan try to find the support level around here 103.50 ataupun 103. Okay, so this on the USDJPY. Okay, quickly we look at the GJ because that's a favorite pair untuk semua. Okay, kita tengok GJ, GBPJPY. Okay, so GBPJPY also following almost kita punya plan. Okay, so now we expect a bit of retracement back to around 149.40, and then try to come and test this trend line, and then again make a zigzag, and then try to find around 146 ataupun 145. Okay, so I don't see JJ probably go any higher. Okay, it might make a lower high, okay, couple of lower high, and then try to come and then test, and then only kita akan ke atas. Okay guys, so that's all I have. Okay, have a nice day. Jangan lupa untuk like, share and subscribe.